Hello everyone, this is a tutorial about channel control. You can control the channel from these buttons such as pause, stop, then forward, and previous. Besides that, you can also control Add Channel Control windows. Go to Windows tab and tick Channel Control. After that, it will pop up Channel Control windows. Select the channel you want to control. So let's say channel 2. Inside here, you can drag the timeline like this and do some basic controls such as pause and stop here. Other than that, you can also change the speed to slow, normal, or fast. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy the video.